Law 11 is one of the shortest of the 17 laws, but is perceived to be one of the most complicated and controversial. In reality, this is not the case. Law 11 is very easy to understand. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. What do we mean by 1, 2, 3? The first step is to decide whether a player is in an offside position. To illustrate the point, let us suppose that a player is in an offside position. Is this reason enough for the flag to be raised for offside? No. When a player is in an offside position, we have to observe whether the second condition is met. The second condition is fulfilled when the player is involved in active play. If and only if the player is active, Step 3 applies, stopping play when the infringement is committed. What does being in an offside position mean? A player is in an offside position if he is nearer to the opponent's goal line than both the ball and the second last opponent. A player is not in an offside position if he is level with the second last opponent. A player is not in an offside position if he is level with the last two opponents. A player can only be in an offside position in the opponent's half of the pitch. In this case, the player is not offside because he is in his own half of the pitch. What does nearer mean? Nearer to the opponent's goal line means that any part of the head, body or feet is nearer to the opponent's goal line than both the ball and the second last opponent. However, being in an offside position is not reason enough to be ruled offside. Once it has been established that a player is in an offside position, the second condition is evaluated in order to decide whether the player is involved in active play by interfering with play, interfering with an opponent, or gaining an advantage by being in that position. What does interfering with active play mean? The International Football Association Board defines interfering with play as playing or touching the ball when it has been passed or touched by a teammate. What does interfering with an opponent mean? The International Football Association Board defines it as preventing an opponent from playing or being able to play the ball, by obstructing the opponent's line of vision or movements, or by making a gesture or movement, which in the opinion of the referee, deceives or distracts an opponent. What does gaining an advantage by being in that position mean? The International Football Association Board defines it as playing a ball that rebounds off a post or the crossbar after having been in an offside position, or playing a ball that rebounds off an opponent after having been in an offside position. A player is not offside if he receives the ball directly from a goal kick, throw-in or corner kick.